Okay, we're here with our new product, Bring Back Black. Comes in two parts, base coat and the top coat to seal it in for long lasting life, guaranteed to stay black for at least a year. Part one, part two. We have a little applicator, and for some smaller points where you want to get the fine little edge in there without smearing too much around onto your paint that you have to clean off pretty quickly, we've got these nice little microfiber cloths to to apply the material with. This is a 19-year-old Honda CR-V. Seen a lot of action out in the sun, out in the UV rays. The original black plastic trim doesn't look like it used to when it came out of the showroom. So we're going to use the Bring Back Black product, and we're going to bring it back to where it was when it came out of the showroom. Black as black. So here we go. Pretty simple. We just open the one bottle. Part one. So we just want to, once we have it all set, we just put a little in the applicating pad, soak it up a little bit. Try to keep it off your fingers. And then we just apply it. I can get pretty good application without getting anything. You can already see it's looking nice and black. And pretty easy to do. Just apply it like that. We're going to put two coats on. This is 19 years old. I think it deserves a second coat. It's looking already great. Wet as wet on the first coat. I'm sure when it dries it won't be quite this black. So we're going to do the second coat. Okay, we've got the first coat on, showing you what it looks like. And a little close up here of spot we left blank to see the difference in the first coat and the original. The original 19 years of weather aging for this Honda CR-V. And then coming around to the back there. We've also left another spot over here, back mud flap. This maybe shows it even a little bit better. There's before and after on the first coat. Okay, we got coating number one done. Time for the base coat number two. Okay, we got two coats on, and we're ready for the top coat that's going to seal things in and keep this protected for at least the 1-year guarantee we give the product. But you can see we're already looking pretty black, and we're just going to finish it up now. Top coat. Okay, we put both of the two base coats on, and then the top coat over that. She's looking really good, and I would say that is definitely back to black.